Namaskar, Sasyakal, Adab and hello friends. My name is Surjit and you're watching your own YouTube channel Universal Pahaji. Today's topic is a very interesting one as this topic is all about self-defense or self-security. On the other hand, you can say that whenever you are hacking, whenever you're doing ethical hacking, you need to be hidden. You need to hide yourself. You need to hide your trails. Before we start the video, I want to give a disclaimer or a warning that please do not use these steps to hack anyone's machine or anyone's password, because this is all part of educational purpose training and this is called ethical hacking, wherein you have a permission to hack into someone's system. If you are okay with it, please continue with the video. This video is all about your self-security, your self-defense and is for educational purpose. So today what we will learn how to hide a file inside other file. Sounds great or fascinating? Yes, indeed it is. So what we will be using alternate data streams technology that is already available in Windows, and it's a file attribute of NTFS system. So without wasting more time, let's start what we are up to. So what I will do, I will press Windows R and write CMD. It will open my command prompt. So here what I will do, I will go to my required directory, like I can change directly using CD. Here I am on C drive. So what I will do, I will create one directory or you can say a folder using mkdir, say universal. So this is just a folder, okay? I can show you in Windows also. In my C drive a universal folder is created. So let me keep it here and let me keep it here, okay? Now on right hand side you can see whatever I'm performing here on this CMD command, okay? So what I will do, I will go to my required directory, that is CD, change directory to universal. So I'm inside universal now. Here what I will do, I will make a file, notepad main file.txt. So what it will do, it will open a notepad and will create one file with name main file. So this one is my main file, okay? Let me write here my password, anything, my credit card details, my bank account details, and let me save it, okay? So as you can see on the right hand side, a main file is created. Let me open it. So this is the same file that we created and we will be hiding this file inside other file, okay? So here what I will do, I will type in notepad and will create another file that people will see. So I will write people to see. You can keep any name, this is only for the educational purpose. And for example, here this is visible. I'm just giving you an example so that you get the clear picture or the idea what exactly I'm doing. This is visible. Let me save it. Now here what I will do, I will write dir, that is directory, and here you can see that two files are mentioned, main file.txt and people to see.txt. so these are the two files here which are easily visible, right? Anyone can see it. Now the trick, how to hide my main file inside people to see file. So what I will do, I will type the word type main file.txt space right angle bracket or you may also call it greater than sign, whatever you are okay with. I have no problem. Here I will write people to see.txt colon main file.txt. Press enter. It's done, but still I can see both the files. What's the big deal? Nothing is changed, right? You must be saying this thing. And even if I write dir, I can see both the files. So how about if I delete my main file? Let me write del, that is for delete, main file.txt. Gone. Here on right hand side you can see that I only have one file, people to see. This is visible, whatever was written inside, and I have deleted my main file. You must be thinking that I'm crazy, right? Because I have deleted my main file where everything was available. But you do not need to worry because I have already done the trick. So my main file is already hidden, guys. So how to open it? Let me give you the command to open my hidden file. Notepad people to see.txt colon main file.txt. Let me press enter. Bingo. So guys, isn't it crazy? You can see that my main file content is still here. Everyone can see it, right? However, nothing is available here. Let me click on view and I can show you that I have clicked already on hidden files, so nothing is hidden here. However, my main file is gone. It's not here, but still I can see the content using this particular command. For a normal person or even for your admin, that person would not be able to see where the main file is, because that particular file is hidden inside people to see file using ADS. Now you must be thinking that if that file is gone, if you forget regarding your hidden file or whatever the name was given, how will you find it? So you guys are at the right channel, because you know we are here for ethical hacking, so we are giving information regarding every single step. So if you want to check where is your file or what was the name given earlier, simple command is dir space /r. Here we go, guys. You can see that it's showing that there is another file hidden here, which is hidden by ADS. For a normal person, for a normal admin, these things are not possible, right? Because no one would know that in which folder you have hidden file inside a file. So this is the way wherein you can hide your files, you can hide your trails, you can hide your traces, and you can hide yourself. I also want to show you one thing, that if I am using simple dir, only people to see.txt file is here. So this is really a crazy method to hide a file inside other file. So I think you like this video, so you know the trick. Please subscribe to our channel if you're coming here for the first time. If you're already our family, please hit the like button, because it motivates us and it feels good. So let's meet in our next tutorial with all the crazy stuff and with lots more techniques, tips and tricks about ethical hacking. So till then, take care, God bless you, bye bye.